y'all, it's me. I have a unbagging. Ooh, sorry. I have an unbagging for y'all today, and it's from the company called Temu. It's a new app, and I totally love this app. They ship from the United States, from the U.S. Way better than Wish. Let me get this right. Way better than Wish. And I got not just one, not two. Oh no. Oh, sorry. Well, oh, y'all know my address. Not two, not three, but four. Four unbaggings to do today. We're going to save the big ones for last, and we're going to do the small one first, and the middle one second. Y'all know how this is going to go. So let's get with this. Let's get with the first unbagging. Okay, Jenny. I said this was just so small. Oh, and I did not know that I ordered 3 of these, and 2 of them was in this box, and the other one I've already opened. But I'll save one to give to somebody, and it is so cute. These are little butterfly pin pop sockets for your phone, and you can get them in many colors. And I got them in pink. All 3 of them was in pink. One will be put in a bag. Of course, it's my daddy. And the other one, I'll just put this in a little giveaway or something later on. Okay, now we're getting into the medium bag. Okay, Jenny, let's figure this out. Figure it out together. We are in this together. Okay. Okay. Second bagging. I'm trying to get into diamond painting, and this one is in rainbow colors. So I think that's what this is. Okay, sure. Ooh, and this is a pretty bracelet. I'm going to take this out because this one is mine. I will fight you to the death, because I want to show how this is. And these come in multiples right here. And I believe that this is the top. Like I said, these are cute right here. I'm keeping them. We're keeping them. Listen, and it is so cute. They came like this, are stackables. They're very cute. And this one, oh, yes. Yes. Okay, Jenny, get into the small bag. Come on, Jenny. Your people are waiting to see what it is, and it's a beautiful necklace. We're gonna put this back in the thing. Ooh, it's a pendant. I'm gonna show the little pendant. The little pendant is so cute. Look at here. It's dolphins. And dolphins are so lovable and so caring and so adorable. Okay, let me put this back independent because I like for all my stuff to be back independent. Which I don't know why they didn't do this, but I like doing this. And it comes with an extender, which I like. Like the extender. Like I said, I am expecting another Wish, and it was so cute. I'm going to have to do a separate on that one. It was a teddy bear, and the teddy bear was 98 cents, but it was so cute. This is what it looks like. It is cute. Okay. Now we're getting into the two big ones. Save that one for last. You know that for a fact. Put that right there. I said all my products came in really, really quick. And they do have clothes. I don't know what's in this one. But I should have had my scissors. Jeannie likes to do things the hard way. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see what we have here. We're going to do it like this. Oh, okay. All right. This one is I thought that it would be like a rolling thing. Let me see. If it is, it's kind of funky how they did it. We're going to see. Let's all in mesh. This is what it looks like right here. I got a feeling it's nothing but mesh. Yes, mesh. I don't see no wheels or anything. It's supposed to have wheels on this thing, but we're going to explore. It says 6-piece. Life's too short to spend time with anything what sucks the beginning out of you. Like I said, there's storage stuff. I feel something right here. So I don't know what it is. The lady's all out and figure this stuff out. There's storage. Yep. There's storage and it's kind of cute. Kind of cute. Didn't expect it. But I guess that this is whenever you go on trips and stuff, you know. Oh. Okay. Like that. 2. 3. 4. 5 and 6. Okay, that's the 6 right here. I'll put that right here. Now these are one of the pants. I'm hoping that they fit. If one don't fit, it'll be donated. I just want to look at these. This one is a 2XL. Then again, I don't know. These are kind of cute. And I'll try these on after I'm done with this video. They're cute. Try out which one fits and which one doesn't. Put that right there. And this is the other one. This one is a 1X. Right here. And they do have a lot of temporary tattoo stickers, which mine are real, but I also want some fake ones right here just to freak out some people. So, and I got, what is this? I said these were cute. Right here. Check for the glare. I have to put it like this because the glare. And it comes with instructions on the back on how to apply these on your arm or leg. But these were so cute. How could you say no to these? Oh, and these are the black and white ones, the classic black and white ones right here. Also got these right here. There's just something about roses. They were cute. How could you say no to these? How could you? Okay. And all these are the same instructions on how to apply and how to take it off. And let's see, count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 temporary tattoos. And I love my bandanas. These were all in butterfly. But you have this right here. That's 1. These right here. That's 2. And they only offered 3, so this is the 3rd. Okay. See if that's all in this bag. And yeah. All in this bag. Okay. Put that right there. In our last bag. Dun, da, da, da. I think I know what's in here. Let's put all this right here. Okay, now Jenny, we're going to have to be careful with this one. This one has something very, very special. I didn't expect one to come in as much as quickly as it does. Like I said, I do have all my tracking orders on my on 2 of my apps called Route and Shop. Okay, we're going to get into this. Yes, the wigs, They also got wigs right here. Okay, wig number 1 is an ombre of a blonde. Yeah, they're blonde. They're blonde. They're kind of like blondish looking color. And of course I got a wig cap in case some of them that may not come with wig caps. I got them. I got you. And this is another wig. And I like the fact that it comes in its own bag. Oh, and this does come with a, I don't know if this one does, but this one does. Comes with their own wig cap. Is it a front lace? It's been a while since I've done this. This one is also a ash ombre color wig. Let's see if I can take this out. Yeah, take this out and I can just do it like this. It's a ombre looking color wig. And I'll just put this back in here. I know I'm doing it wrong, but it's synthetic. Thank God. I'll just do it like this. Put this back in here. And like I said, these bags are amazing. Shein does the bags too. Let's see if this one came with its own. If it didn't, oh well. If it did, oh well. I don't think it did. Oh well. Oh well, oh well, oh well. That's why you get a wig cap. Okay. And this is like the mannequin to put your wigs in. Okay, Jenny. Okay. It should be easy because I know this is the base. Which one's the top and which one's the bottom? Okay. One is one and one is the other. Okay. And this is your stand to put your wigs in. And welcome to WWE. Oh, hair cube. Okay. I'll put this in here. Make the mess a little to a minimum. And this one I'm going to give as a Christmas gift in the cell phone socket will be in this one. It's a little cutie. Little cutie right here. I'll show it to you. Little butterflies, because she's into butterflies. Ooh, that's it. Yep. Okay. And that is it for the Temu haul. Keep the mess down to a minimum. And another thing, I will be having my discount code in the description box down below. just so everyone could try out Temu. And I do want to thank y'all for joining yours truly today on this huge unbagging. Now I think tomorrow, I know sometime this week, I'm getting something from Japan. my Sugoi Mart Starbucks is coming in. So y'all please be on the lookout for that video. So I'll see y'all later. Bye y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye y'all. Love y'all.